Hello everyone, I am Walt, and today we have another topic here on 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. My buddy Scout here is with me, accompanying me in this video, so yeah, two birds, one stone, all that kind of fun stuff. Anyway, 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. Here we are, part 47. Which is all about devoting some time to family. Yeah, devoting time to family. So what's this about? Well, family is clearly an important thing for human beings. Your family doesn't always need to just be your blood relatives, but it can be people you've chosen to be basically your family there. I would say that includes close friends if you want to kind of make them close enough to be family, as maybe Aristotle would talk about with certain friendships when it comes to living together or living by each other kind of stuff. Anywho, the basic principle behind it is pretty simple. It's just that we really want to have time with those that are dear to us and important to us. Now, one of the biggest problems a lot of people have with Thanksgiving are dealing with those relatives that they really hate dealing with. So don't devote time to family who's going to be, the energy sucker kind of group that we've talked about in a previous video. But basically, devoting time to family is important, it can be helpful, and it can be something that will lead us closer to enlightenment and just to being happy, because humans find family is an important thing. Otherwise, we would be like so many creatures and just be entirely solitary, which we are clearly not. So family is an important quality. It can be something that people really strive for and have a lot of good experiences with. It can also just be something linked to evolutionary success, and you could say it doesn't really matter. It's really kind of what you want to do with the principles that matters here. But yeah, that's basically it for part 47. I'm going to send you guys some links to some of my books and some of my best stuff on Amazon in the comment and the description if you want to check those out. Otherwise, sharing the videos, doing that kind of stuff can be helpful. But yeah, just follow along with this free series if you want some more of these, and check out the original article, of course. Support the author over there if you want to do that. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys next time for part 48. So, see you then.